Hey all, thank you for joining me today. In this video, I'll be making the Mario Fire Flower by Gideon Labs from Printables. Enjoy the video. As you can see, I'm taking off the supports. I printed all the pieces on a raft, which I probably shouldn't have. As you can see, the pattern and sort of scruffiness that's left. As you can see, I'm noticing it now for the first time, trying to pick it off with my nails. Probably would have done it on a brim without the raft. The print time for the total pieces took roughly about 8 hours. 2 hours for the red bit, 2 hours for the yellow bit, about an hour and a half for the white, 4-ish hours for the green, about 3 hours for the black. They came off really nice, but like I said, the marks left by the raft are absolutely atrocious, and if I were to do it again, I would do it without a raft. There I go again, knocking the camera. Enjoy the rest of the music in the video, and I'll speak to you soon. So I printed off more than one copy of the eyes, not realizing that certain eyes fit on certain sides of the flower's face, and I didn't remember which side was which. So you'll see me now going back and forth between different eyes, fitting some in, taking them out, not realizing they fit, and yeah, bit of a mess, but hey, I'll get there in the end. Now, if I'm being honest, this was the worst part of this build. I trimmed and sliced and dug out gaps just trying to fit these leaves into the stem of the flower, and it wasn't sticking in. There was a little bit stuck at the bottom, but I just couldn't get out, so it didn't fit nicely. Looking at the instructions and from where I've downloaded it, you are meant to glue it, but I just couldn't get a good fit. this video sped up so much faster. This was honestly about an hour's process, just sped up. Yeah, I couldn't stand this part, but as once again we get there at the end. I honestly couldn't wait for this bit, adding the yellow ring into the red ring. Yeah, really satisfying. That terrible back from that raft looks ugly, but you may also notice I now have a plaster on my finger, as during this process off camera I was snipping a bit more of the green bits and I cut my finger. Who doesn't say 3D printing is a dangerous life, eh? Now that's all complete. It looks absolutely wonderful. I'm really impressed with it. It's time to move on to the obligatory glamour shot / animation. Let's get it started. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. If you get a chance, follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Mr. Campbell Prince. It's been great spending time with you. So sweet baby J.